Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And today we are going to discuss about how to make the learning management system. Okay, so suppose this is your website. Okay, in this website, what you need to do, you need to give the link for your e-learning system. We call it the e-learning, the Moodle, the open source Moodle. Okay, this open source Moodle is your e-learning management system. As in our institution, we have the e-learning system. Just click it here, and you will find the detail here. Okay, suppose each teacher have a separate username and the password. Definitely that instructor will create the user for each teacher. Okay, in your institute, just what you need to do it, you need to give the username password to each teacher, and with the same username password he can log in. Once he will log in there, this is the e-learning portal. Okay, so you will get all the detail, because how many courses he is handling in this organization. Suppose if this is my institution, I'm handling suppose these number of courses. So just click on this course, and what I need to do it, this is the detail about this, the e-learning portal. Okay, this is our Moodle. So see, every week task we are uploading in our Moodle, the e-learning system. So these are the tasks for the week 1. So week 1 task is uploaded, plus we can write all the detail about what we will do in this week, and also add some supplementary and extra material in it. Okay, in the form of Word, PDF, or any other form you can upload. Okay, so the weekly task you can upload in this portal. Okay, even the lecture slides or all these things you can upload in this e-learning portal. Okay, so we can design in this way. So what we can do it, suppose if you need to enroll the user, click it here, you can enroll the students. Okay, if you need to see, this is the grade sheet and all these things, you can do it. Okay, so what you need to do, if you need to check the grades and all other details, so all the details are on this side. Okay, so what we need to do, let me check the gradebook setup. Okay, this is a gradebook setup. See, I have taken view. See, this is the grade book I have created for my student. Suppose this is the student, and this is the number, and midterm marks, assignment marks, total marks, all these things you can upload the grade report in your e-learning system. Okay, so I hope this video you will find informative. So that's all for today.